Are you? What are you helping Daddy do?
Soaping good.
You're soaping?
Get some more soap.
Oh, you're getting some more soap? Who are you getting soap for?
Use this apple. You
That's
got some more.
You got some more soap?
You get more soap.
More soap.
Soap her up, buddy.
Why are you getting soap, Manny? What are you doing now?
Wiping the car.
Wiping the car?
And taking a bath.
The car's taking a bath? That's very cool. The grill and stuff? What color is the car?
Yellow.
Yeah.
You get some more soap.
What color is Mommy's car?
Gray.
Gray. Good job, buddy.
You got some more.
You got some more? You're a good helper.
That's right, buddy. Daddy.
You are scrubbing.
Scrubbing up Dub.
Do you see any dirty spots?
Yeah.
Where do you see dirty spots? Do you see some on the grill?